Ever wondered what cryptocurrency really is? Let's dive into a digital world where money meets innovation. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use cryptography. They're decentralized and operate on transparent blockchains. Cool, right? Using crypto is like having a futuristic wallet. You can send or receive funds in seconds, anywhere in the world. Anyone with an internet connection can get started. No banks, just you and the blockchain. Ever heard of mining? It's how new coins are created. Miners solve complex puzzles to validate transactions and earn rewards. People make money by investing early and trading wisely. Riding the market waves can be thrilling. Who doesn't love watching their investment grow? But hold on, the market can be a wild ride. Prices can drop just as fast as they rise. Have you buckled up? Losses can be part of the game too. Knowing when to hold or sell is crucial. It's all about strategy, baby. Join online communities. Share wisdom and learn from seasoned investors. Teamwork makes the dream work. Cryptocurrency knows no borders. It empowers everyone globally. Exciting, right? The world is your oyster. Want to catch those market highs? Learning to read charts is your key. Become a crypto-savvy investor. Investing isn't just about Bitcoin. Explore various altcoins that might suit your strategy better. Your journey starts here. Think of crypto as a modern savings account. It can grow your wealth over time if managed wisely. Show me the money. Stressful, right? Managing emotions is key. Stay calm and stick to your investment goals. You've got this. Security matters. Use safe wallets and keep your passwords strong. Protect your investments like a pro. Do your homework. Learn about projects before you invest. Knowledge is always your best ally. Crypto is evolving fast. Stay updated on trends to outsmart the game and seize opportunities. Thinking about diving in? Start small, test the waters, and scale up as you grow confident. Easy peasy. Remember, crypto's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. Ready to leap into the crypto world? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let's go. Adventure awaits.